Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna talk about a pattern matching algorithm. Here we have given a string and we have a pattern. We need to find whether the pattern inside a string or not. If the pattern inside a string, then we have to return the index or the first index of the character where the pattern is matching. Okay, first we can discuss the knife method, then I will going to explain you the Rabin Karp algorithm. If this p is equals to p, then we will move further, and this I is equals to I, then we can move further. This k is equals to k, and this p is not equals to a. If this p is not equals to a, then we can say that this p is not included. Okay, this p is never going to be included inside the pattern. Okay, so yeah, we'll move back, and this I is not equals to p, then obviously we can't take this I. Then this k is not equal to p, again we can't take this also. But this p is equals to p, then we'll move further and check for I is equals to I, then k is equals to k, and this a is also equals to a, but this c is not equals to c. Here we have p, then we have to move back again to this I. Okay, then this I is not equals to p, then we will go further, then k is not equals to p, and this a is also not equals to p, then this p is equals to p. Then we can move further, then this I is equals to I, and k is equals to k, and a is equals to a, and then c is equals to c, yeah, h is equals to h, then u is equals to u. Then we can say, yeah, we have find the pattern inside the string, and here is the pattern which is inside the string. Then we have to return the first index, or we can say the first character index. Okay, so the first index of the pattern is 7, so we can return the 7 as an output here. Yeah, if we don't find that pattern inside that, then we can return a -1 as an output. Okay, so similarly, let's see one more example. Like we have this string and this pattern. So the pattern obviously has double f, then this would not be included. Yeah, here here also we don't have double f, we can't include it. Yeah, here we have double f and triple a, then we can include it. So the first index is this, or the first character where the pattern matches is this one. So the index of this a is equals to 12, and so we have to return a 12 as an output. Okay, so yeah, we have to find the first pattern which is matching inside the string. We don't look for the further patterns which are matching inside the string. We just have to return the first pattern which has been matched. Okay, so let's move towards Rabin Karp algorithm. So basically, in competitive programming, we have two types of algorithm used for a string matching, or we can say pattern matching algorithm. The first one is the Rabin Karp algorithm, which is the mostly used algorithm which we normally use. Okay, and the other is KMP algorithm, which also used for pattern matching algorithm. So yeah, for today we're gonna study for a Rabin Karp algorithm. Okay, let's begin. So let's start understanding Rabin Karp algorithm. Our basic problem is that we need to find this whole pattern inside this string. Okay, this pattern inside this string. Okay, but using a knife approach is not a good thing. We have to use some better approach than knife approach. Okay, so instead we can use some tricks. We will assign an integer to each character of this string. So we can say that if here we have two characters only, like luckily we have only a and f as a character, so we'll assign a values, integer values to this both. Okay, so we are assigning a is equals to 1 and f is equals to 2. So it will look something like this. Here a is assigned to 1 and this a is assigned to 1, whereas f is assigned to 2 and this f is assigned to 2. And also we have assigned this to f is also equals to 2, and here also we will assign a pattern with a is equals to 1 and f is equals to 2. Okay, so and another trick that we can use is that the length of our pattern is pi only, so this can't be increased, or like the pattern, if we are searching inside the string, so the length of that pattern will only be 5. Okay, so we will do the sum of these integers, this assigned integers. So the total sum of this assigned integers is 7, right? So we need to, so the basic problem is that we need to search a some substring inside the string with length 5, and should have the sum of this assigned integers equals to 7. Okay, so we'll be searching a 5 length a string this, and the sum of this all values, and it's not equal to 7, it's 6. So we can surely say that this pattern is not here, not here. Okay, so we'll move further and we will check from this one to this one. Okay, so the sum of these values is again 6, so pattern is not matching. Yeah, then we will take one from here to here. Yeah, again we have sum is equal to 6 and pattern is not matching. Then we will take from here to here, and again it's 6 and the pattern is not matching. Then we will take here to here and we have a 5 where pattern is absolutely not matching, and we can take from here, we will take from here to here, and again 6 not matching from here to here. So it will definitely go and match at here. Okay, so sum of this pi values is equals to 7, which we are actually searching for. We will return the index of this character as an output. So that's done. So I hope you guys understand how it works. But yeah, I will clear it like we will not going to assign a is equals to 1. Actually, we can use an ASCII value for it. Instead of assigning an in each character as an integer, we can use the pre-assigned integers to the character, which is called as ASCII value. So inside the code, we are going to use the ASCII value of this a and ASCII value of this f and the other character. I hope you understand how it works. So let's understand the code. So guys, here in the code we have and this hashtag is the string, and this needle which is the pattern which need to be searched in this hashtag. Okay, so if the length of the needle is equals to 0, then obviously there we don't have anything to be searched. Okay, so we have to return 0. This is the base case. Okay, and we also have another base case where the length of haystack is less than the length of needle. Yeah, if the haystack is smaller than the needle, then yeah, obviously we can't find it. Okay, so we have to return the -1. And here the base case ends, then we need to start how to search. So we have two variables, pass variable and the current variable. This pass is the as sum of the ASCII values of needle, and the current will which will be moving along for searching. Currently we are assigning both the values to 0, and this L is equals to length of needle. Okay, so here we have gone through a for loop for the range of length of needle. We will be doing a pass is equals to plus pass plus this ASCII value of needles first index and haystack first index. Yeah, the pass will get all the sum of values of needle, all the ASCII values of needle, and the current will give get a starting ASCII values of haystack. Then we have to go through how I have explained you in the example. So we have to go from the length of needle till the length of haystack. Okay, so if the current is equals to pass, that means we have matched the current with the pass. Then we have to check for the whether the needle inside the haystack or not. Then we have to range through the needle. If the needle's j value is not equals to haystack I minus L minus j, here we are doing I minus L, because we have to go to the first index, and minus j from the L, because sometimes as soon the j is increasing, we have to decrease this L. Okay, so if this is not equals to haystack's value, then we need to break that this for loop. And if the whole for loops runs and never got break, then we have to do else part. And else part means, yeah, we have find that pattern inside that string. So we will be returning the first index, so I minus L is the length of needles. Okay, so the first index will be written from here if we got that pattern inside that. Else we will just delete the first index from the current. okay, and we'll add the next index to the current. After running this whole for loop, if we get the current is equals to pass, then we have to check for the last one. If the current is equals to pass, then we have to check again whether this needle is inside the haystack or not. If it is inside the haystack, then we have to return the length of haystack minus L. And else if running the whole this part and we don't find that a needle inside the haystack, will be returning a -1. So I think so you guys have understand this code. So thank you for watching this video, and guys, if you like this video, just put a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.